Begin the feather stitch from the second stitch line and go in through the last one to come out from between to create a V shape. Now go in through the first one and come out from between to create another V shape. Again, go in through the last one and make a V shape. So you are essentially toggling between the first and last stitch lines to go in to create the V shapes on the left and right sides. This is a highly decorative stitch and can be used on borders and for botanical structures. It is one of the basic stitches that I recommend one learn when starting off with hand embroidery. And you will have fun using this. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by liking, sharing, and commenting. You can learn more stitches from my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check the description to find links to my ebook store and my Patreon account where you can have access to various patterns. And of course, it's the best way you can support me. Thank you so much for watching.